Kasalukuyan po nagsasagawa ng press conference ang Department of Foreign Affairs. Panoorin po natin.
Well, the case has been proceeding and will proceed with or without China's participation. And well, the court will be handing down its decision. But in every step of the way, the court is taking into account in China's position. Ang alin? Impact na siguro, it will take the court a shorter period of time to reach a decision.
Sir, I read a scenario where this reclamation activities by the Chinese government would eventually surround the Yungin shoal, and so that we will be unable to resupply our troops there, and then they would have to rely on Jollibee aircraft.
Well, that's someone's analysis, no?
Will it happen, do you think? What's the possibility?
We don't speculate, no?
Sir, doon po sa what was discussed recently last week, nadagdagan pa yung mga sa pagkakalang yung reclamation na ginagawa ngayon.
Ano pa rin, no? Wala naman kaming alam na bago.
Said anything about Vietnam's comment on that case? But they supported it and filed a document before the arbitral tribunal.
Well, that was one of the questions asked by the tribunal. We were asked to comment on Vietnam's position paper. And we said that we consider Vietnam's statement very helpful. It confirms that the tribunal has jurisdiction and that the Philippine claims are well-founded.
Yan po ang bahagi ng press conference ng DFA sa pangunguna ni DFA spokesperson ASEC Charles Jose. Patungkol po ito sa iba't ibang issue, kasama na ang issue sa West Philippine Sea at patuloy na construction umano ng China sa mga bahura at isla sa naturang lugar.